Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can, friends, add a bookmark to your iPhone. Don't forget, friends, to subscribe to this channel. Also, please put your likes under the video and please write your comments. So let us be with you. Get started. And in order for you to bookmark your iPhone, let's open up a web browser. In my case, it's going to be Safari. And watch. Now, friends, open up some website. Next, you're going to need to click on the Send or Share sign down the middle. Now scroll through the menu that you'll see, and you'll need to select this bookmark section here. Now you can rename it in some way if you wish. You can also add it to a specific album and add a new album, name it somehow. And then click Save and Save again. Great. Now when you leave this site and you need to find that bookmark that you added earlier, what you can do is, at the bottom, click on that book sign. Then, friends, you can also click on Books and you'll see the different options and the different, let's say, sections that you have. And you'll see a great many folders that you may have created. And you can see that site that you previously added to your bookmark. Click on it and instantly go to it. Dear friends, this is how you can quickly add a bookmark on iPhone. I hope that this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write your comments and put likes. See you, friends.